Hello, and welcome to the Academic Center for Writing presentation on genre. What is genre? Genre is defined as a category of artistic, musical, or literary composition characterized by a particular style, form, or content. It's a French word meaning type, sort, or kind. Here are some examples of how the term genre is used. Two genres or types of artistic paintings are portraits and landscapes. Some of the genres in the musical field include rock and roll, classical, jazz, and rhythm and blues. Subgenres of each of these include classic rock, waltzes, improvisational jazz, and the Mississippi Delta Blues. Movie lovers may be familiar with film genres such as action, horror, comedy, and science fiction, among many others. The two main genres or categories of literature are fiction and nonfiction. Fiction is defined as narrative literary works whose content is produced by the imagination and is not necessarily based on fact. Therefore, a fictional story is the product of the author's imagination. On the other hand, nonfiction is information text dealing with an actual, real-life subject. Nonfiction books include books about nature, science, and history. Within each main genre, there are subgenres. For example, subgenres of fiction are fantasy, humor, fairy tales, science fiction, historical fiction, horror, and mystery. Subgenres of nonfiction include biographies, autobiographies, history, essays, speeches, and politics. These are only a few. Some literary genres are timeless and universal. A couple of examples are drama and poetry. They transcend time and space. For instance, Shakespeare wrote his plays in the 16th and 17th centuries, but they are still being read in the 21st century. Other literary genres are non-universal. They are found only within particular cultures or age groups. For example, the graphic novel is a relatively recent category of popular literature. Finally, why should we study genres? In literature courses, students are able to explore literary genres and discover the ones they prefer. Furthermore, a discussion of genre can be included when writing a literary analysis of short stories, poems, or other types of literature. And finally, a genre approach can be used to compare a literary work from one genre with other texts of the same or different genres. Thank you for watching this presentation on genre. For questions about this or any other writing topic, please come to the Academic Center for Writing. Thanks again for watching.